Hey there, this is Jay Carden, and if you're wondering how some network marketers are able to get online and get discovered and have massive success, then I want to share with you how you can make a lot of noise and do the same thing they are doing. So stay tuned. Okay, so how would someone make enough noise in their network marketing business or their MLM business to where they're attracting other people, getting a lot of leads, people knocking on their door wanting to sign up with them? Well, I'm going to share with you some strategies. These are all free for the most of it, and you can do this, and this is exactly how the others are doing it. Number one, videos. They're making a lot of videos, and if you were to start making a lot of videos just like this one, and you see the internet service while I'm making this is not working very well, and it's causing the picture to get choppy at times, but nonetheless, I still make the video, get the content out. So what I'm saying by this is you don't have to worry about being perfect. Just get it out there. Stay consistent with it. You can also be working a blog, and what I'll do is I'll take my videos and put them into my blog and kind of keep them together, which is a very powerful thing. It works well with SEO and things like that, which, of course, if you learn SEO, you get discovered on the search engine. So you should be practicing search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Now, you can also start joining a lot of social media groups, posting your content that you're blogging and your videos into the groups, which will generate traffic for those videos and blogging. You can get into some syndication groups. If you don't know what these are, this is where you share my material, I share yours. A lot of people are doing that, and it's really, really working good for them at getting a lot of leads, getting their name out there. And remember, guys, you might want to consider doing a paid advertising as well, just to throw a little cherry on top. Maybe some Facebook, pay-per-click, begin doing webinars. Those are huge at converting, and they are just huge at generating leads. People love coming to webinars. Big-time lead generation, plus the webinar puts you as the authority, the leader. It's just the way to go. I've been using webinars. It's a successful way to build your business. Okay, now let's think about one thing. No matter what strategies of these you're using, I would assume you would use them all. Be sure you use them all together and do them on a daily basis. Be consistent with it. Get in the habit of always creating new content, and the more you do it, the more noise you're going to make. Remember, each time you have a new blog, you got a new video, you're going to post it to the groups and the syndication groups. Keep your webinars running, practice your SEO. These are the ways to build your business and make a lot of noise. So guys, I hope this helps. I hope it opens some doors for you. Consider using these strategies. And if you want to learn more about them, on how to do them, visit my website, jaycarden.com. You can find more information there. You can also sign up for free gifts, daily tips, and weekly mastermind trainings. These trainings are private invite only, yet you will learn tons of stuff, amazing strategies. Keep up to date with all the new trends. And guys, you want to get in on this. This is the biggest giveaway in network marketing. So you can get it at jaycarden.com. Click the link in the description below. And if you're at my website right now, you just look up in the top corner and you'll see the form. So guys, thanks for watching. And please, if you got value, comment below and share. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you on the next video.